now see Labour Party National Chairman Mr Apapa don't cry come out too. Voila. My people, we greet you now. Welcome on especially to this our channel. The Baba when they say cause the whole katakata and gbege for Labour Party since. Don't cry, enter Channels TV. Oh. Hey. According to he say he don't say when they carry chair. Say he don't carry chair well for Labour Party. But now in dey surprise say the party say they don't know him. As in he don't do chairman well for the party under state level. And in dey surprise say the party can't they talk like this. He say they even suspend him from the party, but he rejects the suspension because he no accept him. Anyway, my people, make I leave on now. Make una watch the video.
The other time when I came here, I told you my background as far as the party is concerned. As of today, I'm the oldest in the party in terms of age, in terms of the length of service in the party.
Welcome to the JMTV.
For anybody to say that I am not known or that somebody that they don't know, it surprises me a lot. In the sense that, like I said the other time, 2002, when this party was formed in the name of Party for Social Democracy, I was the first chairman of the party in Oyo State. And when it metamorphosed into Labour Party, I was the chairman in Oyo State. I was the chairman of the party for 10 years. Not only that, after that period, I became the chairman of the party in the entire Southwest. I was the chairman for 4 years. And the last election, I became the deputy national chairman of the party.
But I mean,
I'm coming to that level.
Is it a crime that they say they don't know? I mean, if someone says you're not known, but is that, I mean, is it a crime?
Why I say that?
In any case, Mr. Apapa,
yep,
you and 5 others have been suspended at that NEC meeting.
I will go to that level.
No, let's, because we don't have the time.
Yeah.
You have been suspended from the party. Are you aware?
I was told, but I'm not suspended. I'm not suspended.
You were not at that NEC meeting.
I was not invited. I was not invited.
Maybe because they think that you're not a member of the party.
They think that I was not supposed to be there. I am today, as of today, I am the only legitimate acting chairman of the party.
The NLC has rejected you.
They lack history. It's lack of history.
The NLC president. Yes. You saw him at the protest then.
I was told, and I want to tell him this today. When this party was formed, I was state secretary of NSC in Oyo State. And the day this party was formed, President Oshiomhole, he was the president of NSC, and at that meeting, he said this party must be formed, and he directed that those of us that are from the private sector should take the command of the parties at the state levels. And that gave me that authority to become the first chairman of the party in Oyo State, because I'm from Nupeng. And the same office of Nupeng was used as the office of the Party for Social Democracy before it became Labour Party. Who will now say that I am strange in the party? I doubt. I'm surprised that anybody in this country will say that.
You have been suspended. That's the position.
I said no.
And, okay, so you reject it?
Yes.
So
I rejected it.
But on what authority?
On grounds that the man that organized that meeting ought not to have organized that meeting.
Why?
Because the court has asked him not to parade himself as the chairman of the party, and that order has not been vacated.
The NSC president, who is one of the arm of the legs of the Labour Party, the constitution of the Labour Party, says you're not recognized.
I am saying this now openly. He lacks history. You should go and find out the history of the NSC and Labour Party.
Are you recognized by INEC?
Yes.
Well, as at what point?
The moment a letter is being presented to the ANEC and it was acknowledged, what else do you want?
All right, let me bring in Kenneth Aono to here. I'd like you to respond to what has been said. One, first and foremost, Mr. Apapa has rejected the suspension, and he says that Mr. Julius Abure does not have the grounds to convene a NEC meeting of the party.
Speaking to you from Asaba. Yesterday, the man seated close to you there was suspended alongside 5 other guys. They were suspended for anti-party activities, and it was clearly stated. And for him to be saying he rejecting it, I wonder, because when he hijacked the party, he said he was not invited to the next meeting. But when he hijacked the party, ask the man seated close to you if he ever sent an invitation to the entire NWC members to attend the meeting where he hijacked the party and distributed position to themselves. That is no. I'm happy that today he's talking about invitation. That means that he was wrong for not inviting the NWC members in the first place before he hijacked the party. Secondly, he said INEC have recognized him. It's very simple. We can browse it and check whose name is still on INEC portal. It will sort out this. Thirdly, shown that NLC and TUC stood beside Abure. It's not just because they like Abure, it's because they believe in legitimacy and they believe in legality. This NEC that was convened yesterday was not just planned in 2 days. In fact, for the past 2 weeks that this tussle has been going on, the NEC meeting was never planned in the past 2 weeks. For you to carry out the NEC meeting, you must give at least 21 days notice to INEC. And this letter for convening of this NEC meeting yesterday was sent to INEC in March. It's almost a month that this message was sent to INEC. And the Deputy National Chairman, former Deputy National Chairman seated close to you, thank God he has inherited various positions he held in the party. But I want you to also ask him what has been his achievement all those years that he swayed and held sway as the party chairman in Oyo, and he became the Deputy National Chairman. It was under his control, leadership as the Deputy National Chairman, that the Labour Party failed to never give them many candidates in the Southwest, and he is the Southwest person that came there as the Deputy National Chairman of the party. Ask him his achievements when he was the chairman of the party in Oyo State. Did we produce even a councillor? Ask him. And this is the same man that has come today to take advantage of whatever illicit packaged judgment made by some group of people to fight a personal interest against Abure. And he quickly took over that opportunity, and he's fighting a man that has worked hard to produce over 35 House of Rep members, that have produced 8 senators, have a governor and so many other governors coming. And is about to deliver a president in Nigeria.
Yeah, let's take
assuming but not considering there's an issue with our national chairman. What are we supposed to do? We're supposed to come together as a family, as a house, and now think of a way to chart a cause for the party, not just to hijack the party. That is the point.
So who is the national chairman of the Labour Party as of today?
Personally, to me, the court have not given any verdict against Abure. The court, there's no court of competent jurisdiction that have said that Abure have committed a particular crime. So, to me, Julius Abure is still the national chairman of the party. And I want you to know this. They said the man seated there have accused Abure that police is looking for him. I'm aware that Julius Abure have gone to police stations, he has gone to Commissioner of Police Office, he has gone to IG's office, and he asked them, are they looking for me? And nobody told him that the police is looking for him.
All right, let me react. Some people lack history. When you refer to my achievements as officers of various offices, since I started the party, it was in Oyo State that we first had a state honorable of Labour Party in Nigeria. under my leadership. Secondly, it was when I was the chairman of the Southwest that Mimiko joined Labour Party. If you remember the number of senators, reps that we have. So if you don't know all this, you better go back to history. Now let me now also come back to the issue of who is now the chairman of the party. I am not struggling with Aburi. I am there in active capacity. The constitution of the party is so clear on this that for whatever reason, if the chairman is unable to perform his role, the deputy takes over. And that is exactly what has happened. And it's also clear now that you said because Aburi is a respecter of the law of the land, that is why he obeyed the law. Even though we don't want to say it openly, he obeyed the law partially by stepping aside. That period of stepping aside means there's a vacuum. And that vacuum must be covered. Now, let me see.
The feeling is largely that you are being sponsored to destroy the Labour Party.
It is not
sponsoring you.
Nobody is sponsoring me.
Why are you up to this? Because the feeling on the other side, and you need to be able to convince Nigerians and the rest of your Labour Party supporters and the obedience who are the Labour Peter Obi supporters that you are not orchestrating an evil machination.
Hey, my people, not be small gbege. Anyway, when I don't see the video, that where can I drop on a comment how na reason all this matter. I mean, when I not forget to like and share this our video. Now do well. See you all in our next video. Bye.
Welcome to DJ TV. DJ TV.
Delegates and ask the question. DJ TV. DJ TV. DJ TV.